heading to the beach now, Suru, and the roads are not that bad. Good road, good road, good road. But I do love the countryside, so I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the countryside of Guinea-Bissau heading towards Suru. Suru, right?
Well, yeah, Suru. Praia de Suru. Praia de Suru is good. It's very good Praia Suru.
I'll be the judge of that. Experience. Yes. So, I'm on the beach in Guinea-Bissau. Well, it's called Suru. Praia Suru. Now Portuguese. And I guess now the tide is in. So we're here. Oh, I so love the beach. I'm in it already. There's nothing better than this right now. I love this. Ah. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm driving. Yeah, Jividro. I'm driving. Ah. He wants me to come and I'm trying to stay. I'm driving. I have to put everything in my bag. Because I can't lose anything. Yeah, not bad. Well, I'm kind of stuck, but it's all right. I'm getting through. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm all right also. Oh, you speak English?
Yes.
Perfect, perfect. My friend doesn't speak no English.
Yes.
He's horrible.
No go with Kipan.
Who? Who?
No go with Kipan.
Kipa? No, no entiende. Oh, él? Oh. Crazy. Ah. Hey, go by yourself. I'm finished with you. I'm staying here. So you all are finishing now? Huh? You all are finished? No, finish. I see you're cooking. No, you don't understand.
Now. No finish.
Oh, good. I'm coming back for food later. Food finished?
No.
Ah. Ay, ay, ay. All right. Still wandering through, walking to different people's parties. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Man,
Yes. Where's the beach? That way?
that's good.
Okay.
Mana gula. Mana gula. Yang galu bin ni Indana. Indeli.
Okay, I think I'll take my slippers off. Yeah. Meninos, mulher. Huh? Photo. Video. Tome. Onde meninos? No meninos. No mulher.
Terang man.
Okay. You can't take picture, you suck. You suck. I like this. This is nice to me. Woo! Oh, that's for Facebook. Foto para Facebook.
Ya no hubo nada.
Woo! There's my big belly self getting ready to go into the water. Oh! I'm trying to get into the water. He wants to take a picture. Photo or picture? Photo or picture?
Photo.
Picture?
Yes, photo.
Video?
Photo.
No video?
Photo, photo.
Photo, photo?
Yes.
You sure? Okay. No. This guy here. Hey. Cashew. So, todo cashew?
Tela. Yo no para wala.
See, cashew. She. Yeah. No. I was saying I like here.
The thing you want to see clear. I thought you want to see the place clear.
Yeah. If I can, that would be nice. So how big is this place?
20 acres.
20 acres. And this is yours?
It's mine, yes.
Wow. No, seriously, can I come and stay over here? No, for real.
It would be good. It's really that at this time we don't have time.
No, for me,
you have in three. It's divided into three. Yeah, people are here these days. You see, it is divided into three type of plantation. You have cashew plantation. That's from here going that way.
Yeah.
Then we have mango plantation. All varieties.
So, mango.
All varieties. You have mango trees. And then after some mango trees there, you have lemon.
Lemon.
Side. Yes. You have lemon plantation. That is from the road downwards.
Okay.
So down there, we leave a bush where animals live.
Okay. Well, like
after this plantation.
What kind of animals live there?
Well, you have how do you call them? You have
monkey.
Monkeys are down there.
Yeah.
We have monkeys, we have shells. I don't know these animals in English.
No, call the name in Portuguese or Creole.
Yeah, that is, we have gazella. Down there, we have gazella, then we have lobo, which one? Lobo. Yen. You have iron.
Oh, okay.
You have iron here. And then a lot of cobras.
Yes.
Down there.
Wow.
So that is just their place to stay.
Oh, okay.
They stay there.
They don't come here.
No, they don't. They rarely come to this side. Because I keep bush for them there.
So they say thank you.
They say thank you. Yeah, they don't come to us. But if you don't prepare place for them, then they'll come.
They will come. Oh, I see. Now you see that's the difference with you and a lot of other plantations around the world.
Yes.
They
put only
clean anything.
They kill everything.
Yes.
Exactly. That's what they do. Even here in Bissau, that's what they do. I refuse to follow their way of doing things. I say, let me do something different.
So how many years has been in the family?
Let's say about 8 years now.
8 years?
Yes.
Wait.
8 years.
This mango orchard?
Yes.
8 years?
Yes. Newly planted.
8 years?
8 years now, yes.
You give me hope. 8 years?
Yes. 8 years.
8 years?
Yes.
Okay. How long before the mangoes you got fruit
3,
from
4
the
years.
3, 4 years.
Yes.
And from the cashew, how long?
Cashew 3 years. Roughly.
3 years.
Yes, less.
And lemon?
It's lemon that takes sometimes about 4 or 5
4 or
years.
5 years.
Yes.
No, you hear that? Why are we struggling in the West? You see this? And now, I want to baffle your mind now.
Yes.
About how much would you say is per acre?
You know, it's from different, like I told you, like for example, lemon.
No, the
cashew.
land to buy, to purchase.
To purchase, no. When I bought it was bush. It was not that cheap, that expensive.
So about how
It
much
was
would you?
bush. By then it was in pesos. Let's say about 3 million.
3 million safer.
Yes.
What, for the 28 acres?
Yes.
How much is that in euros today?
3 million, let's say 1,600, 1 million is 2,000. I mean, let's go to 2,000. Let's say 4,000 euros. 4,000 to 6,000 euros, yes, roughly. Roughly 6,000 euros.
Wow! Ay, 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 ay. I'm getting a headache. Really? 4 to 6,000.
Yes.
She. Aye. Yeah, I'll get back to y'all.